You see this? Yeah. This outfit, yeah. It's giving me black and bougie. Black and bougie. Girl, let's be black and bougie. Like, black and bougie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to be trying to make basic clothes look expensive. And yes, it's kind of like nighttime, but I just thought of the idea and I was like, why not do it? So make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and let's get on to the video. So guys, I just came back from meeting, so I might be a bit bloated, just a disclaimer. So let's get on to the video now. We're gonna start off basic. I've got some blue jeans, like dark blue jeans. Then I've got like this black top that's off the shoulder. And I'm gonna put it on and then I'll show you guys how you can style it, because they're basic, like some black, like a black top and some dark blue jeans. So I'm gonna put it on and show you guys how you can style it. It's on. And I'll recommend you guys wear like a belt with it, maybe like a designer belt or any belt in general, just to make the jeans look more, I don't know, more fitted. And it just, I don't know, it's like an accessory, and it just like brings more, it's like eye-catching. So look, I've got a belt. I just feel like it makes the jeans look like more fitted and just tighter. That's how it looks. And these actually have a style. I'll go and show you. These actually have like this ruffle, I don't know, just like detailing on the bottom. And I don't know why I keep on clapping in the video, but just ignore it. So I've got a belt. You can style it with a bag. For example, this bag. You can, any bag. I actually have some stuff in here actually. Ooh, I got money. Okay, so you can style it with like a bag. Like, look at this. Isn't that like a nice outfit? This like matches with the top and the belt. I just feel like this looks more expensive. It looks way more expensive than it is actually. Like, if you saw me, would you think this would be like, this outfit would be pricey? And you can also like do your hair. I think you can leave your hair down and then get some sunglasses. I think sunglasses definitely make an outfit look way more expensive. Listen out, sunglasses definitely do it. Put it on. Oop, don't let it fall. I'm balancing right now. Put my glasses off. And look, this looks way more expensive than it actually is. You can actually put earrings.
When you're not around, there are boundaries. I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have.
This is legit the whole outfit, the whole look. Like, from just being a basic black shirt that's like off the shoulder with the dark blue jeans paired with the bag and some hoop earrings, or you can have like a necklace if you want, anything of your choice, with some with the sunglasses. And I feel like when you style your hair too, it makes like a lot. So I did a side ponytail, and this is the look. Sorry, what? Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? Exactly nobody.
Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? Exactly. Bye.
Bye, bitch. I'm off. It looks like you put so much effort in when you hardly did anything. You just added, you know, a few bits and bobs. And look. Definitely do this. And maybe you guys can like add lip gloss. I use Vaseline. You can use lip gloss, anything to make your lips shiny, lipstick, anything. And yes, girl. I'm out. Peace out. Now for our next outfit. Guys, this is the second outfit. It was just like a plain white skirt. Like this is a skirt. And this top that has like circles on the shoulders. And the girl was like plain. Look how plain this looks. But like when it's together, it looks a bit more bougie. Do you get it? You need to learn how to style things together that make it bougie. That's what. Because this is so plain. It's just like a t-shirt with circles. But I started with this white skirt. It's a bougie. Period.
Period.
I'm going to still use the same bag. And then sunglasses too. Hoop earrings. We're out. Maybe for this one, you might want to leave your hair down. But we are out. It's that simple, guys. It's actually not that big of a deal. It's not that hard. I think it might look hard, like, oh my gosh, you dress so well, but it can actually be easy. I think also when you get stuff that match, makes life a lot easier too, because I think it's easy because it matches. So look, who gonna check me? Exactly, no. Look how cute I look. These bitches ain't on my level, period.
Period.
That's the same energy you guys need, you know? I also feel like when you like motivate yourself, boost yourself, it helps, okay? Okay. And also like when you put stuff like that, like, ooh girl, like put it like there, okay? You can also be like that. Don't talk to me, thank you.
I'm looking for one little kiss on lips, but we tried to run. I'm a very with good when I see you right there, you let me want some more. I'm looking for one little kiss on lips, but we tried to run. I'm a very with girl, you let me want some more.
You see this? Yeah. This outfit, yeah, is giving me black and bougie. Black and bougie. Girl, let's be black and bougie. Like, black and bougie. This matches with like this. Girl, yes. It's giving me like sophisticated vibes. Like work vibes. Like, yes, I work at an office. I'm going to... I don't know, it's giving me vibes. Giving me vibes. I've got this belt. So this belt has got like gold. I don't know if this... I guess it is cute or whatever. I mean, it is cute, but it's like for a dress. But you can still use it. You can. Like from afar, it's like a dress. Okay. Glasses off. Sunglasses on. period. Bad bitch, period. This looks so expensive. I was like, damn, she spent money on this shit. But you didn't even spend that much. Go, go, go. Maybe you can get your nails done. I've got red nail polish on my nails. Like bougie or whatever. Damn. I definitely do think that eyelashes play a big part in your look, your appearance, your outfits, but I cannot put eyelashes on. I know. I'm actually learning. My sister can do it, so she'll probably do it on me. But yeah, this light is so hot right now. But this is the look. Like, I know in quarantine, you're like, where are you wearing these outfits to? I know in quarantine, but no one said you can't look good for the gram. You can look good for the gram, for Snapchat. So guys, my birthday's actually coming up on June the 4th. I know, that's like less than a month. I know. So this is actually going to give me some ideas to wear. I mean, I'm probably just going to be going out on a walk on my birthday. I know. Quarantine, got my birthday messed up. What the fuck? Stop playing. But yeah. We can get it without the belt. You know, whenever you...
I'm latching onto you. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go.
I just left my hair down for this look, but you can have it slicked back. Oh, if you had it slicked back, like into a ponytail, businesswoman vibes. Businesswoman vibes. Or if your glasses were, your sunglasses were black. Sorry, girl. Sorry. Businesswoman vibes. Period. So this out. Just excuse the fact that they have one hoop earring in. Damn. So I've got a white top. That is Adidas. And got some shorts. I don't know if they're beauty shorts. They're not beauty shorts. They better not be. But I've got some shorts. And I decided to change the bag. You can still use this bag though. It definitely still will be nice. But what do I do now? But like this brown bag. This is giving me like picnic vibes. Like I don't know why, but I can just get picnic vibes. And put my hair to this side. Don't mind the bubble. I just had to get what colour. So I don't know. It's like giving me picnic vibes. Like let's go out for a picnic. Let's go out for a picnic. Let's go out for a picnic. I don't know why I decided to do that. Like what the hell? It's kind of giving me like also like strolling. Like I'm just walking on the street. But I like it. I like it. The shorts are like not low-waisted, they're just mid-rise. And yeah, I think I like the top to be like that. I guess you can like tie it if you wanted. Actually, I think tying is actually better. Because I actually like tying it. It just makes it more elegant and bougie. Like, look at this. Look at this. So, tie it. I actually like this outfit so much. It's like a chill outfit, but it's still bougie. You know, don't forget your sunglasses, you know. You know, if you want to get your fan, because you're hot, fan yourself. Obviously, girl, you gotta spray yourself, like, period. Of it. And look. Like, look at this simple outfit. And look how bougie it looks. So, yeah, this is it. You know, get your sunglasses, get your hoop earrings, or like a choker. I think a choker definitely does look good. And get lip gloss. I use Vaseline, but you know, or lipstick, anything you prefer. Who gonna check me? Exactly nobody. Nobody.
Period.
Girl, you're gonna look like a full course meal. Damn, you're gonna look expensive. And this is also good, like, if you're in a budget too. Like, just go a basic white top and some, like, denim shorts. You know, tie the white top like this. Got, like, a brown bag or any bag of your choice. You could even use a fanny pack if you wanted. Like, do it like this. Oh my god, this ponytail. So this ponytail got to go. So guys, oh, how do I do this? You know, okay. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below and comment down below any other videos you guys like for me to do. And if you guys enjoyed these videos, make sure to comment down below and I'll do more videos like these. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and you know, got some tips and just learn more. I don't know, just learn more ways on how to style things, because it's not that hard. Something like anything you have in your closet, you can style. You will be able to, trust me, like, everyone has like a white top, everyone has like a grey top, like black jeans, blue jeans, you know, and like the basic colors, like, and add more accessories, and you will become a bad bitch. Period.
Period.
No more. Okay, no more. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and in the comments below, rate 1 to 10 which was your favorite outfit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.